Let's review how lambdas work through this exercise. The first thing that I want us to do is to create a stream 1 with exam scores as the map field. Next, create a stream called transform using the transform function. Let's insert some data into stream 1. Go ahead and run a push query on the transformed stream and scroll down to see the results. We're going to move on and show you how to use the reduce function. Create stream 2 with a points array field. Let's create a reduced stream using the reduce function. Go ahead and insert some data into stream 2. Run a push query on the reduced stream and scroll down to see those results. Lastly, let's create a stream 3 with the numbers array field. Create a filtered stream using the filter function. Insert some data into stream 3. Go ahead and run a push query on the filtered stream and scroll down to see the results. This exercise used transform, reduce, and filter functions to show you how lambdas work.